my topic for today is confidence. I get this question all the time. What can I do to up my confidence? Where does confidence come from? Where did you get your confidence? And to understand where I'm coming from, welcome. Thanks for joining us. To understand where I'm coming from, I just have to give you a little background about me, since most of you are new, right? I was born and raised in Uganda, and I grew up a very shy girl. Actually, my nickname through school was Shy. I had that name through college. I was very shy. I always knew the answers to things. I always knew what to say, but I could never put up my hand, try to raise my hand to say anything, right? So that's how shy I was. Then something happened. I met a wonderful friend at my church, and she put me into a leadership role. She's the kind of person who senses your abilities, then gives you an opportunity. So she put me in a leadership role to lead all these people who are older than me. I was so nervous, right? So every day I would pray. I would be like, oh God, give me something to say tomorrow when I'm talking to this group of people. And there were many, right? And wise too. Then every time I shared, it so happened that they actually took what I was saying. And slowly but surely, the confidence started coming